Te eligibility parajor ki baju sultanat ban sngap ki kebor lat kam hari ka channel te ha mentak te ha ni ka por ngan wara ya ni ki khobal lat kam ki ba ya dei ha ka ni ka ba mentak singi ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society pastor hill Lawmali Shillong ka pelat ya ka application landing advertisement for the appointment of the staff on contract basis. Advertisement along the office of the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Shillong invite the application for the eligible candidate who are the citizen of India for the appointment of the following staff on contractual basis for the period of 1 year, which is the extended as per performance. The Meghalaya AIDS Control court application ya candidate kibana po citizen of India appointment for the staff on the contract basis for 1 year, extend for the performance katkum kajing non chongpi te ka serial number ka penengkong ka de name of post ka de ka divisional assistant, number post ka de tangaway nang ta educational qualification ka de graduate from any recognized which ability to manage the assigned task of the administration, essential experience, minimum 2 years of the experience in the administrative role. Nakta kabaar Pidon kabaar pakai computer in IT knowledge with the familiarity of the data management and commonly use a package in the MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Te kabaar kadon kam kino ki candidate ki bala pendep ya ka komputer lani ka IT knowledge ki ban jing tips pangka IT information technology knowledge lani ka data management commonly use the package with kibala nang ka MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Te ka salary namanta ka shibnai kalong arplajar haspa te note below for those information kindly visit the website of www.meghalaya.sacs.com. The candidate fulfill to the criteria can be applied in the standard form. The candidate kilawan pendap haka standard form with the self-attested copy. All the terminal kindly give two valid contact number ID. But pendap standard form but attest ro yaki self-attested yaki copy kijopi nangta kindly give a two valid contact number and email ID. The age limit as per government norm. The candidate can be submit one passport size along with one self-addressed envelope in brown 10 into 4.5 and 5 rupees a postal stamp. Pilaban self-address ya ka envelope kabrau envelope kabadon ya ka shipho into 4.5 but pila rabanta ka stamp kabasan ka do not staple the envelope with your application. The complete application should be reached the office of the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, Pasture Hills, Lawmali Shillong on before 28 of January Arjarapsan. Te pilapan submit ya ka application haswa ka arpu pratrik which January Arjarapsan in the incomplete application will be received to the project director AIDS Control Society Shillong. te kumanga juang ba kinu ki ba kwa ban apply kani te sobha ban le kloi wat up ba haru na poi ka last date te wat le ro ban share bat like bat subscribe kani channel khnang wa pinyo shibun jing tip ki bai dei bat kani ki khobol gam hang ne for te khule shibun